Hello everyone. I'm going to use this video to introduce you to concept of list. We are going to start with a very simple example where we ask user if user is taking Python course. If answer is yes, then we are going to print have fun in Python course. If answer is no, we are going to write no Python course for you. All right. So it's a very, let me modify this a little bit. There we go. It's a very simple snippet that we are going to write. We are asking user if user is taking Python course. If answer is yes, have fun. If answer is no, no Python course for you. So let's run this and answer. If answer is yes, it's going to say have fun in Python course. If answer is no, it's going to say no Python course for you. Let's run it one more time, and I want to show you something. What if user says yes? All right, but this time with capital Y. Well, let's see what happens. We are hoping that we are going to get the answer of have fun in Python course, right? Because that's a legitimate, correct yes answer. And it says no Python course for you. So this snippet, it looks like it can break easily, and it is not going to perform the way we expect it to perform. So even if we write something like this, yes, it is going to say no Python course for you. The reason for this problem is that it compares user's answer with exact answer yes with all lower cases, right? If answer is not exactly the same, even one of the characters is not exactly the same, it's going to skip that if block, right? How can we solve this problem? There are several different ways of solving this problem. The easiest way to solve this problem is by just saying, use a string method called lower. What we are going to do, we are going to get user's answer using input, and then we are going to convert whatever user tells us. We are going to convert that to lowercase and compare that with lowercase yes, and let's see how this operates. All right, are you taking Python course? If I say yes, all right, it is going to convert that capital yes, capital letter yes, to lowercase, and then it's going to now print have fun in Python course. Let's try one more time. Yes, it is going to do the same thing. If I do one more time, and this time with lowercase yes, it is not going to skip that if block, but if I say no, of course it is going to skip that block. This is probably the easiest way to address this problem. Another, a little bit not so optimal way of solving this problem is by putting all possible combinations of yes in what is known as a list. All right, so let's just define this list answers is equal to, I'm going to put yes here, comma, yes, comma, yes, comma, comma, yes. You see, you see where I'm going, right? I'm putting all combinations of Y, E, and S, lowercase, uppercase, and of course it is going to be a little bit of a cumbersome solution. So I'm going to stop right here, and let me write a couple more. This, oh, I actually wrote that. So this, right? So you see, and this is a little bit, this is going to be confusing. Now I can copy that answer from here. Let's cheat a little bit. I'm going to put it right here, and I don't need that lower. All right, but this time I'm going to say if user answer in answers, right? Let's pause here. What I'm doing, I'm creating a list. List is a data type, is a collection data type that is used for grouping usually similar items. In this case, all of those items are are a string, right? These are all strings. And I'm putting all of them together, and I'm using in to check membership of user's answer in answers list. I'm saying whatever user tells me, if the user's answer is equal to one of these items right here, then print a have fun in Python course. Otherwise, print no Python course for you. All right. Let's see how this is going to work. I'm saying now I'm going to write yes. It says have fun in Python course. I'm going to say yes. Have fun in Python course. But again, of course, this requires writing all possible combinations in a list, which is not always optimal. But this is a good starting example for introducing concept of list. List, let me write one more time. List is used for grouping similar, usually usually similar items in Python. This list is used quite a lot, and even when we switch and talk about pandas, we are going to come back and revisit list. So in the next videos, we are going to learn how we can create a list, how we can modify it,